Hello everyone, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the back and make a ponytail. So we can open the hairs first and then we'll be tying the hairs on the sides by keeping few sections aside. We'll be making a ponytail on the back like this. So after making a ponytail, we'll be rotating the hairs like this. Now after that, take the hairs from the sides and then fix them into each other in the between. Follow the same step for the other side. Fix the hairs like this on the back and tie them. Now stretch the hairs carefully and put a hair clip and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the back like this. So make a high ponytail by taking all the hairs. Now put the rubber band to fix the hairs. Now after tying it, we'll be taking the hairs on the top, divide it from the between like this and fix it inside the hairs by stretching it little bit. Roll it like this to make a bun. Now roll rest of the hairs on the sides like this and fix it using the rubber band. Now after that, we'll be tying it like this and then take the hairs and spread it little bit on the backward side and fix the hairs inside it. You can put the hair clip over it or the hair clutch to fix the bun on the top like this. Put the hairpins to fix it and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to fix the baby hairs on the back using a hair clip and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the back. So take few section of the hairs and keep it aside. Now tie it on the back like this with the rubber band. Fix the hairs properly. Now after that, take the hairs from the sides and tie them on the back like this using the rubber band again. Fix it and then after that, we'll be tying the hairs like this properly. Open the rest of the hairs and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the back like this. So tie half of the hairs on the back and then join the hairs together and make a half ponytail or a high ponytail together. Now after that, divide the hairs into two parts. Tie the upper part from the between like this. And then after tying it, we'll be rotating it like this and then we'll be fixing the hairs like this into each other. Now you can make a bow on the top by pressing it like this and put a rubber band to fix the hairs on the top. Now after that, fix it like this, spread it and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.